Hi friends, welcome to Bright Future Hub channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more amazing videos in the future. So please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Joins, then we go to next topic. Okay. We learned only for two tables joining. Yes, the left join, right join, whatever we learned. It's all about the only two tables. Is my joins here? There's nothing. I lost my notes. No. Okay, I have later. So we had only two tables to join here. Either you have only two tables. Let's try to make it bit more examples using the 3 tables, 4 tables joining. I'll create a very simple table. Okay. I'll create within a simple columns. Name, SAEMP number. I have the name. This is called varchar. So I just create custom tables so that I can adjust my data as I want. As L, as number. Then have a department number. Department number will be of number. It is reference to department table. Okay, this is my first table. Before to that, I must be having the department table. Okay. I take very simple columns. DPT number, say number. Okay. Then I have a D name. Okay. It also has a location. Location has more details. There is another table called location table. Okay, this is the department table. Location will have a location ID. Lock ID will be the again number. It will be okay. So for the location, we have another table called the location. Okay, let's populate here one more table. Location. Location represent the which is a location. First we'll have its location ID. Location ID is the number field, and it has the name of the location. Then yeah, just for simplicity, I put address. Address is varchar of 50. Okay, and location it will have also kind of an country. It is which countries belongs to. So for have it here for simplicity, we'll have a country country name. Now I'll make it more complicated later. As such, now we'll create these tables, then populate the data first. Yeah, I should have music. Okay. So first, I'll populate the data for location. How to populate? Insert all into yes. This is what we done. Insert into all, or how we did insert into all.
Insert all into star from there.
Insert all into. Insert all. Insert all into location into. What is the syntax again? I forgot.
Insert all, that's all.
Okay, into same syntax. The rest of the syntax is same. Okay. Insert all into say location. I just put values. First is country 1. Name is something called Bangalore. We just say PNG. Okay, next one we have an address is I have a country called India. Okay, this is one value. Let me insert 3 values. It quite possible within So we'll have location 2, then we'll have it other one. Value 3. So I should have populated much early so that I would have save the time. Then say here, and I could say here Mumbai, and then I have here something Kolkata. Okay, these are values. Let's see if it will work. Insert into.
It's wrong when I insert all, then insert into.
Insert all into.
Into is not there.
Is there no here?
No, insert all, insert into.
Again insert into.
There will be no values there.
Okay. Insert all into. My value is correct, no?
Is correct.
Insert all.
Into is not there.
Oh, every time
Here,
yeah. Okay. Okay, 5 rows inserted. Let me copy back here. First, as I populate the data for location table, this is one set of my table. Next one, I have to do it for similarly for department. Okay, let me quickly do that. Insert all. Department 10. The name is SA accounts. And it belongs to department number. Location. Location means it is in Bangalore, India. Next one, I take it same quickly. Department 20. 31. That script I'll give you. You can also try meanwhile. And put it in a chat. You want to type. You can also type and ready. Season sales. This is belongs to department 2 and sales. Then it has an software. As such, it is in 3. HR, I leave it in. I don't specify any location. Let's see how the join fail. What we can do, we'll do it. Okay, let's start from here. Create a one. Okay. Next one is employee table. Okay, let's create few employees. Okay, insert into array into EMP, insert all. Okay. The thing is, insert all. You can also specify if you have this class into EMP. You can also specify multiple tables. Data into multiple tables in single go. This we can try.
Yeah.
This also. This option is not necessarily one table you need to insert. You can insert to multiple tables. Multiple insert, multiple tables. This you can try. Okay. I should have done in the first instance. Okay. Insert into values. See here. Employee number 1. Name is Vinay. Start of things. Okay, Vinay. Insert. And I get the department number 10. Insert few more records for 10. Let me 20. Have inserted. Sorry, I should have prepared this data yesterday only. Okay, 20 and I make 30. Let's leave the 40. I don't assign anyone. Or let it be 40. I don't assign anyone for 30. Okay. Here, what I'm trying to say, I'm just missing the data here and there. Let's see how the joining will fail, then how we can correct. Okay. Okay. Now, this is how the data looks like now. Let's see how the data in these two tables. Select star from. So now we have 3 tables to join. Okay, let's see how to join this. This is one table. We have the location ID, name, and the country name. And have a select star from the department. We have 4 departments. Okay, it location ID, how they related each other, location, the department, using the location ID. Look at here, department has a location ID. This location ID is belongs to the location table. Location ID is there here. Okay, and how the related employee and the DP tables using the department number is the common column. They are referring each other. Department number is there. This is referring to the department number. Now, first simple equijoin, we'll do it between the employee and the DPD table. I wanted to know the each employee's department name. I just wanted to first join is along with an employees. I also wanted to know the department names of the employees. Let's do it quickly. E name, T name, correct? From EMP. As I said, I'm going to use the alias join DPTT. How they're joining on
Department.
E dot DPT number, because the column you need to specify
D dot.
DPT number. Let's see. Do you see all the records? Do not see all the records because one of the joining is missing. I intentionally employee table. Okay. Okay. One more thing. I have another employee. It doesn't have any department name. Okay. Say here 4. Then it doesn't have department. Let me put that. So I have 4 employees. Okay. This takes time. Okay. Valid table.
Table name.
Okay. Now the equijoin will return only still. Now I run the equijoin. It returns only 3 joins. Wherever this last record is not coming. Why it is not coming? Because it doesn't have the department number. Employee to department table, the joining will fail. because last record, Mohan record doesn't have any department information. This joining will fail. I need that data. What should I do? I need
Right
Mohan.
join.
I need what? Which table I need the data from?
EMP left join.
So we need to. I need all the data from EMP because I am expecting more data to be displayed. More data along with the name. I am finding the salary. It is not displaying anything. That joining is failed. It is not displaying the more details. Since I need all the detail from the left table, that is my employee table, I am going to say left to join with an department table. I get the more detail, but since it doesn't have a department number, the joining will fail. I'm not able to because it doesn't have any department to display. That's the reason it is being added null. Clear? Before that, let's make all EP join 3 tables. Then we'll come back to the left join. Any questions here? Now it is, I'm just using EP join or inner join. It is going to fetch you the data from both the tables where it is matching. One record is missing in this join because the fourth record, Moon record, doesn't have the department information. The joining between employee and the DPT is getting failed because this record has any department information. Clear? Now, along with the department information, I wanted to know the name of the location where each employees are working. Where is that location information? I wanted to know where is Vinay working, Keshav working, one is working. This data is coming from the location table, that is your third table. It is not that location name is not in the department table or not in the employee table. It is coming from the location table. How to join? To get the location name, what is the relation among three tables? The relation between three tables is department of location ID is referring to the location of the location ID. So what I do is I'm going to bring another table. Again, I'm going to say join. Let's say I'm going to say inner join or join, inner join. So already I have an employee and DP table in mysql. I need to introduce the third one. I say location L. And how it should be joined?
Location ID.
On d dot location ID is equal to L dot location ID. Now what will happen? Now this record is also anyway. This one I don't. Okay. Now look at here. I say name. Name is coming from the location table. If you wanted to very specifically want to specify where this column is coming from, you can also specify your table aliases. That's what we learned. To resolve the column ambiguity, we need to specify the table aliases, or you are very crisp and clear about which column coming from which table. You can also specify the table aliases attaching to the column name. Now we are getting only 2 records. What happened?
D dot D name.
Now we are getting only 2 records. What is happening? What is happening is this one is getting failed. So 40. Anyone guess what is happening? Look at the data you have. Let me put that into small font or something so that you can see all the data what you entered in the one window. So tell me what is happening in this.
For HR, there is no location ID.
Anyway, there is no employees belongs to HR. Should not worry.
HR employee is there.
Employee 40?
Yeah,
Okay.
Mani.
Okay. One record is failing
That's why it's not coming. Yeah.
There is one record is missing because due to there is a joining failed between DPT and employee table. Which record is missing? The Mohan record is missing because there is no matching between this and this. And one more thing here, we have an employee 40. For them, there is no location ID. This join is also failing. The joining between this record and any of the location table is also missing because there is no location ID. To correct the data, first I need all the employee details between these two tables. What should I use? I'm going to use the left join here because my employee table is the left side, correct? Between the EMP and this is a join in between the EMP and the DPT. Where is your employee table? The employee table is in the left side of the join. I'm using the left join, inner join, inner join. Oh my God. Okay, I'm saying left join. Still the data is not coming because this data, what I'm doing in the join, it doesn't have department. This is correct only. Okay, let me put the one more thing, please understand here. This is very important now. See here, what is the table on the left side of this join? In this join, what is the left table? Don't look at this join. This is not the place to look at the left or right. You can vice versa, you can specify. But what is your left table in this join? Because department is your left table because it's already there in the left side of the join. This is only the join is specified, but a department table is already on the left side, correct? Is already appeared in the left to the your join. That become your left table. Department table is your in this join. What is your left table?
EMP.
EMP is a left table because it is EMP table appearing left side of your join class. Here in this join, you are not specifying DPT here. The DPT table is already appeared left side of to this join. So DPT table your left table and employee is your right table. Clear? So I need all the data from the left table. I'm going to specify here left. Now you see all the data is getting populated. Wherever it is not matching between this record is not matching because the Vani doesn't have any location details. That's the reason it is giving you the see she belongs to 40, but she doesn't have any location details. Location is coming as null. Whereas Mohan doesn't have a department information itself. That's the reason it's not getting the department name as well as the location. Clear? Only thing is you need to be bit clear about what is the left table in this join, because left table in this join is your department table because it is already appearing in the left side. This table is already appeared here. So it is taking a join. You need not to specify here again DPT. No. Once you specified once a table in the join, you need not to specify second time in your join. It is only one time required, but it is only the matter is where it is appearing. Here in this join, employee table is the left side. In this join, department table is the left side. Here. Anyone has any questions? Let me know. Just now.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will now need. Okay. I just give a try. Count of employees in each location. How do you find? This is what the questions will be like this. Now we need to find count of employees in each location. In each location, I have only one employees. No, department 10. Yeah, they're all belongs to one only. Okay, do one thing otherwise. The same question I want to do using the right join. Let me know how you do it. It'll take a time, you 5 minutes. Once you type it, to right join to get the same output, you have to interchange your table. Example, if you start from your location, example, let's say location. I would say I start from the location now. First, what I do is I get the D name. I say D name. Please hold on a minute. In this example, you see the table. There is a 5 locations, correct? And there is 4 departments, but one of the department doesn't have a location. and one of the two location doesn't have any departments. I need all the 5 locations in my output. What should I do?
Left join by using left join.
Why we should use left join?
Because we need every department number.
Mhm.
So
Every department number?
Every location.
Every location.
Sorry, location.
Okay. So if you use the left join, I do it now. You're saying use the left join, correct? I use the left join, correct answer. Get all the data. The same data I want to use using the right join. What should I do? I ask the question, don't tell. I ask. Just now I need the same data using the right join. What should I do?
The location and
I have only 2 tables, location, department.
and right join. We will by right joining a location as well as ID we will put.
I have the same thing. I'm not getting the same output.
Interchange the tables.
Yes, department, then the location table.
To interchange the place of your tables. Okay, and then I data on the right table, all the data from the right table. So you get the same output now. What is that? Why it is getting? I need all the location. That's the reason I have put a right join towards the location where it is there. I do get everything. Now I join. I know I need employee details. Also, what I do is, what should I write? Wait, I'll ask. Dixit is ran out already. Nivedita Vani. So what you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, try me. I wanted to bring employee names. Also, what should I do?
Employee names. So it's from the employee table.
It is in employee table. What should I write?
From.
From. Anyway, from is there. What should who want to tell?
Join EMP.
Employee, right join department D.
First, let's join. Let's see what will be. Join employee table E. Next, what?
Department number. Match it by department number.
T dot or E dot DEPT number is equal to D dot
department.
I'm going to say here I need E dot E name also. So you're getting only 2 records. To get all the location details, what should I do? Which join I should use here?
Left join.
Left join if use, you get all the employee name, employee details. I need all the location. So I use the right join. Why still not getting? Left means what is my left table? Okay. Left is my department. Okay. All the data from the left I will correct. Sorry. Why it is to be left join? Keshav? Not right join. Why left join? You need all the data from your left table, because if you put a right join here, what will happen is it's try to get all the data from the employee table. But you need to get the data from the left table. Left will be empty department table. Department in turn will join with a location. That's the reason it will become the left to join. And now you are seeing all the, see this 3 data is coming null. Why? For these 2 location, there is no department, and this doesn't have a department. One doesn't have a department. How many records I have? Okay. My intention is to get only here all the location, not the department employee information. So I do get all. Bangalore has 2 employees. Delhi doesn't have any. Delhi doesn't have 3 department, and I don't have any employees belongs to department 30. Sorry, 3. I don't. We have Vani. Vani name should be coming. Yeah, name is coming E as null. Why? I have Delhi and software. We don't have. She is not belongs to 30. That's the reason. There is no employees belongs to 30. So Delhi is getting nothing, and 4-5 also doesn't have any. It is getting. So there is no hard rule what join should be used. You need to understand what type of data you need to extract. You need to adjust your left join and right join based on the position of your table. There is no straightforward rule. You need to use left join, right join. First, you need to understand your data. What data you need from which table? You need all the table from left table. You are going for the left table. You need all the from right table. Only the confusion here. Then it comes to a third join or fourth join, fifth join. The table is appeared previously is going to be mandatory. It is in the left side of your join. Here, employee is your right table and department is your left table. What is the criteria you need to look for is you need all the data from the left table. That's why you're going to specify the left. Otherwise, you have to, if you need all the employee information, probably you are going to specify the right join. What is the difference when I say here right join? You get all the employee information, but location is lost.
Location
because
is missing. Yeah.
yes, because one of the what you do that if you use a full join, let's see what will happen. See, now you get all the data from both the tables. This is how it looks. Okay. So there is no straight away. Only my whole exercise today I try to do is how to understand the join of the, if you use a third table, fourth table, where this is coming, your location in this table, what is in the, for the employee table, both the DPT and location becomes left tables because there's already appeared left to your join. Your employee table is coming here, but before to this, both the tables, department and location already appeared in your SQL in the left side of your join. That's they become left tables. The employee become the right table. Appropriately, you need to use either left join or the right join. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is one of the example I wanted to do. Okay. You see here, just go Oracle HR schema. This is your schema. So if at all I wanted to explain quickly, 5 minutes I'll explain so that you can try out today. And okay, good. There is something there. I use this link to explain. Hold on. Connecting these two. Okay, overview, not overview. Okay, yeah. So this is this is called ER diagram. What is called entity relationship diagram? We call that ER model or ER diagram. It represents the relationship among the tables. Okay. Hold on, before jumping into, let me save this SQL so that, see, now onwards you need to practice some more. Okay. Okay. As much you practice, it will be easier to understand. This is how the, but thing is, you need not to confuse it. Very simple. Once you understand the concept, left table, right table, where do you need a data, and it is just you need to specify left or you need to specify the right. For interview, they don't go behind to 2 tables, 3 tables because it is very difficult to put the question also, get the answer also. If you understood up to 3 tables, sorry, up to 3 tables to tackle the interview questions is more than enough. But when you go to work, there will be 20 tables, 30 tables, 15 tables, where you get a lot of complexity of writing the SQL, but you can tackle it when it comes to an interview. Like a job, yeah, you have time to solve the problems. But in interview, I don't think they go behind 3 tables. Simply they show you 3 tables like this. Only 3 tables they pick. They'll ask you to join. If you learn this, whatever I explained today, that is more than enough. But to make it more practical to work out, this you need to understand. This schema you need to understand. So a core of this thing is there is an employees and they belongs to departments. Department has belongs to location. So look at here relationship between the employee and the department. First is core is a departmental. It starts your journey from the department table. Department belongs to, see, look at here, this is called crow leg. This is a crow leg. This represents here, this is referring towards the location. Means department ID has a location ID. It is coming from the location table. Look at here, department tables has a location ID. It is referring crow leg is towards the location. This is location ID here. It is coming to departments. At the same time, location have a country ID. It is coming from the country ID. Country had a region ID. It is coming from the region. So this is called the relationship. You can understand. And now look at here, employee ID as a department number. That's the reason it is towards the crow leg toward this. The employee department number is coming from the department number. What is the relationship between this? What is this crow leg is referring here? This crow leg, what is this representing? It is representing towards the employee. There could be some relationship between that is referring from the department to employee. What is that table? What is that?
Manager ID.
Manager ID. That is manager ID is your employee ID. Who is the manager of the department will be referred by the employee ID. Okay. And look at here, what is this relationship between Keshav, hold on, let ask someone. Jobs and the employee. What is the relationship? Mohan.
Sir, location employee ID is located in job ID.
Okay. Employee ID. Okay. So job ID, job is job of the department employees is coming from the jobs. Job ID is be represented here in the job ID. Here job history. Job history is maybe employees are changing multiple jobs. That's the reason it has a job history table. So what it is getting job history table from the employee table. See, it is getting a data from the employee table because the crow leg towards the employee table. It is getting an employee ID from the employee table and it is getting the job ID from the job table. So this is how the schema represents. That schema I was looking here, it is there already, it is loaded here. Job table is there, employee tables is there, countries table is there, departments table is there, regions table is there, location table is there. That's what I was looking. The data is already loaded here. You can see the data, it is already present. Okay, what I try to give you an example is try to see something, some examples. Find out any questions before I jump into questions. Is anyone wanted to understand the relation among these tables? Hello, Subhash.
Yes, sir.
Clear how these tables are related. Example, I wanted to know the country where employee is working. How to reach that details?
So country table.
Country has only the country table, but
Yeah.
I wanted to know the employees whose country, where is working.
Okay.
How do you?
I do left.
Now just view the relation, how which table should connect to which. Later we understand what is the left or right.
Okay, so employee table.
Mm-hmm.
I get the employees and then countries is not connected.
It should connect to department. Department will connect to location. Location
Yeah,
will connect to
location.
country.
Okay.
This is the relationship. So we need to connect location, employees to department, department to location, location to country. Okay. So when you are working on this schema, thing is what you need to do here. This is schema called HR. HR is your schema. You wanted to access the employee table. So do one thing, you have to create, or you can have select. How to get an employee table access now? This is in HR schema. So I need to
HR dot
HR dot employee, correct? Employee. Employees. So other option you have is let you create locally your tables. Come on, what is happening? It's clocking. Employees. So if you're getting confused, you wanted to create locally, do one thing, create table like this, create table EAP or employees. Better you create employees locally. Otherwise, yes, once you list out all your tables, so easy. Then what we have? Department. Use this information. Okay. Where is the schema? Where in the schema? These are all pictures. I cannot really use that. Okay, department is okay. Select start from. So you can use these select statements here. HR dot departments. If you're getting confusion, you don't want to use such a big name. You can create local data. How to create? Just create add table as select from. You can also do this. Create table TPT as select. You can do this, so it will create your local. Who's this? Someone is saying. Okay, Keshav is already given. Thank you very much. So
I'm practicing on this schema only.
okay, great. So you get this. I have put it here. Now let's understand the problem statement. What are the things you can try to get me? Try. Let's see, either not. Otherwise, we'll try together. But this is how you have to practice. There is no shortcuts to learn. So I want to know history of, first question is, we understood country of each employee. Okay. First question is name, employee name, e-name, or what is the column name we have? Employee name. Don't have employee name. First name. Okay. Employee name.
Last name.
Employee first name and last. I just say name. Okay. You can name, employee name, and the country where he is working. This is the first problem. So how to get that? First, you need to join employees to department, department location, location to countries. So that, please remember, if he doesn't have country, that data also I need. If you use the equi join, if one of the join is missing, you lose the employees tables, but I doesn't want to lose. If he doesn't have a department, get the null value. It doesn't have a location, get the null value. It doesn't have a country, null value. But if my employee table, how many employees records we have? You are getting disappointed now. SQL I told earlier is easy, now it is complicated.
It's more than 150. 114.
I need all 114 records. Okay. So no more exist. 149 records are there. Not 149. We need Keshav, it is, they start with employee number 100, they end with 149. There is 50 employee records. Employees are there. Okay.
No more data is there, Vinay. Count style is here.
Download is saying here. No more rows exist, it says. (107) records are there. Okay.
Yeah.
So I need all 107 employees should come along with their country where they are working. Clear? Anyone question? Anyone has a question about it? Department, everyone has a department. Okay. Tomorrow I'll tell you the department, we'll see. Clear? Now all I need an output. What I need an output is employee ID, employee name. Along with that, country name. Output is I'm looking here. These 3 columns. From the country table, I need the country underscore name. Okay. There is total record should be displayed is 107. Next question. Next question, look at here. We go to table this one. So total count of jobs each employee change. Example, this is going to be complex. Okay, do one thing. Find the maximum minimum salary of each employee. Let's see. Find salary details of each employee. How to do that, Mohan?
Sir,
How to do that? I need a salary details of each employee. What should I do?
Jobs.
Hmm?
So employees to job.
Employees to job. You have to join using the job ID. Okay. Okay. And okay. When he started current. Okay. Total number of jobs he changed. This is complicated. I'll make it. Total number of job each employee changed so far. Okay. Where you get that? How do you get that?
Job history.
Job history to here you get an history. Each one will have, for each employee will have multiple IDs, multiple records. You need to get the count of, for each employee you need to find the okay. Now last question is total number of employees working in, this is you do it ultimately you are done. This is the last question. Total number of employees in each region. This you do it, you are there. Okay. This is the questions, 4 questions layout. You have a region table. I wanted to find total number of employees in each region. Okay. So let me see that what is the table it has. It takes a time, but I will not do it until unless you give up. I'm not going to do that. You try to do yourself.
Okay.
If you stuck, you need see you have 4 regions. There is a 104 employees, 107 employees. I need a count of employees against each region. Okay, how many people work for Europe, Americans, Asia, and Middle East? How many working? I need a count for each region. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try to do this. Then this is a 4 name, 4 country, 4 questions. Let me know if still any questions you have right now so that I can answer.